principal, teachers, and my dear schoolmates. Today, I am Aradhan Sodan from class 8B is here to embark our assembly. And in this assembly, we will cover and discuss about the topic of love, an inner feeling or affection that an individual shows for many different things in his life, like its friends, family, siblings, country, sport, etc. To express the feeling of love and kindness, one should be inclusive, show gratitude to others, and to spread love, one should give precious time to his, especially his friends, family, country, siblings, etc. Thank you. For this sentence, I end my speech, and now next is Archit to continue our morning assembly.
Hey everyone, today Archit is here to talk to you about something that makes the world happier and a brighter. Love. Love is the magical feeling that brings people together, whether it's between family members, friends, or even partners. It's all about taking caring and showing their kindness towards others. Love. Now, next is Gunrit to continue our topic.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I Kundri Kaur is here with my topic, love for friends. Good friends never give up each other and always have their friends back. There is a mutual understanding and affection. They show us love in the form of care. There is no jealousy between them and always want the other person to be as successful as much they want themselves to be. Life of a human being is full of ups and downs, so that they want a person who can understand and support them with no expectations. That the special person is called a true friend. A true friend can be of any caste, any gender, or any background. So, if you have friends, care and love them. Thank you. Now next is Yashaswani.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Yashaswani Anand from class 8B. So today my topic is love about parents. Parents are the two precious gifts from God. We need to respect our parents. Parents are the two precious gifts anyone can get. Parents are the most valuable person in this world. Parents all can get. Thank you. Now, please to continue our topic.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kursi from class 8B, and today my topic is love for nation. Love for nation, also known as patriotism, to the extent of sacrificing your life for betterment of it. A person who supports his or her country and is ready to defend it against enemies is called a patriot. A true patriot is called the backbone of the nation. Some freedom fighters sacrificed their life for our nation, like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, etc. Thank you. Now next is Anya.
Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about something that is the essence of humanity, something that transcends boundary and brings us closer together. Love. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a force that drives us to care for one another, to emphasize and to support. It's in the small act of kindness, the words of encouragement, and the moment of understanding. Love knows no prejudice, no hate. It only knows acceptance and compassion. So let's embrace love in all its forms. Let's spread it wherever we go, and let's make our world a better place because of it. Thank you. So now we, the students of class 8, we are here to present a skit based on our topic, love, compassion and humanity. Yusheswari belongs to a middle class family and her parents are laborers.
Coolly, and Van knocked her down. At school. Hi, you hear the news about Yashaswani? She met with an accident and now she is handicapped. Her.
So, handicap, now onwards, we don't want her to our friend. Yes, yes, we don't want the handicap in our group.
At home. Mom, when can I meet my friend? I am sitting there for so many. And why didn't you tell anyone to meet me? Oh, they are busy and studying. It's okay, dear.
At school, after so many months of treatment, Yashaswani is ready to go to school.
Hello, dear one. I am back.
We don't want people will miss us if we walk or talk with you.
My sweet girl. Mom, my friends don't leave me since I lost my legs. And now I don't want to go to school. Don't worry, my sweet girl. The world will lead you.
Friends at home. Hi Yashaswani.
Hi, Yashaswani.
Why did not you come to school for the past 2 months?
What happened to your foot? It's because of...
Very talented. Can we take this for 2 days?
Yes, of course, you can take. Wait, I am coming in 1 minute. I have an idea. We can exhibit these items, and with that we get from money, we can use that money for and buy an artificial leg.
Yes, that's a great idea.
On the day of exhibition. Here are the items. We exhibited and sold your all items. This money is for your treatment. Thank you.
We are
Here from 8B. I'm here to conclude my morning assembly. I will show my gratitude to everybody, those who have made this event possible. Guys, love every moment of the life because yesterday is gone, today is almost over, and tomorrow is not promised. I have a kindly request to everyone to show your love and openness to our assembly. Can you please hug with your friends? This is requested by our respected Arun sir.